What's up, guys? Remember the last time my son here went through his little baby bug out bag? Today, he's back with a new one.
What is up, everybody? This is your boy. I am going through my new and improved bug out bag. We got this first aid kit, everything, scissors, yeah. Now, we got a float right here, a whistle, and a mirror signaling. Got some masks. There are 3 in here.
What kind are they?
Filter masks.
What kind? There should be a number somewhere. Jesus, Grandma.
I don't know. Read that.
I don't know how to read, bro. Right there. N95. Good to have.
Okay. We got emergency poncho again. We got tube tents.
That tube steak.
Huh?
Go ahead.
We got some food rationing, which again, there is another video of that. We got some gloves. Got a huge water bottle thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 waters. And we got some light sticks. Or I guess you could say, I don't know. Okay.
Light stick.
Yeah.
It's self-explanatory, man.
Now, I got 2 different kinds of these hand warmers. One will last up to 7 hours. These will last up to 10 hours. I got more emergency ponchos. Water purification tablets, 2 of those. More hand warmers. Got some deodorants because you can never smell as good as you want.
Water. Wait.
Yes, Bailey.
What is water?
Yes. Got some emergency blankets. We got 3 of those. Got hygiene supplies. Got a AM and FM radio. I got
that rape whistle.
I got that rape whistle. Compass. Mirror. A little holster inside, I guess. Let's see. And a whistle. And thanks to my dad, he actually used an old credit card or debit card, whatever you want to call it, to make this into a wires to hold, I guess, I don't know.
I'm not your dad.
Got notepad, hand sanitizer, kind of like a little first aid, but also matches for a fire, pocket knife, hot chocolate. I don't know, I just got this for some reason. Stuff you, earmuffs, or I guess, I don't know.
Say earmuffs?
Yeah, cotton balls.
Damn, 8-year-old schooled you.
Cotton balls. Put some Vaseline on them. Start a fire.
Good question.
Got some gloves. Good for working in the dark.
In the dark?
Oh, rain. Never mind. Got 2 lights. Oh, that one's out. Another emergency poncho. Pocket knife again.
It's multi-tool.
Huh? Ear plugs. Tissues. Another emergency blanket. This tea thing has all the sugar and stuff in it already.
Called coffee.
Huh?
Coffee.
Yeah.
Can't you read Chinese or Korean?
Sorry for all you Korean subscribers. I'm not much of a. I don't really understand that.
You don't understand Korean language?
Got some playing cards just in case if a trader walks by, you can play a game with him. And a pen for the notepad. And that is about all. Thanks for watching and take it away.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.
Bye-bye.